you would think that, oh, you can just ask Claude or Codex, build me an agentic operating system. And maybe it will, right? But it's going to be quite ineffective, and you're not going to really have that much control of the output. The biggest pitfalls of artificial intelligence is that it hides the effort that it takes to be able to get good at something. There's really a clear competency ladder for getting good at a generative system. There was a reason why when these tools first came out, the focus was on prompting. You got to learn how to prompt, because that was really the foundation of how you communicate with an AI system, through your prompts, through your queries. And the way that you structure them become very important, right, for being able to yield the kind of outputs that you want from it. If you never really took time to engage and converse with an AI system, to just understand the nuances that exist in how you prompt it. If I use this word instead of this word, if I structure it this way, if I give it this kind of context, which really segues itself into, how do I now structure my work? How do I give it the right context? What files should I provide? What constraints should I offer? What examples should I give? And so all of this becomes very important foundation learning, because that's what really sets you up for then building the workflow. And that's just the repeatable process that you're building from how you structured your work, which came from the prompting that you did and learning the idiosyncrasies of the tool. And so now loops are the new craze. How do I then prompt an agent or write instructions for an agent to be able to then command and instruct other agents? What goes into building an effective operating system is knowing, what loops, what workflows, what context, what structure, what prompts to be using to facilitate the entire system.